How to change the currency in Splitwise. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency in Splitwise. In order to do so, first of all, open your Splitwise application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Once you reach to this home page, here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate the account option. Click on this account icon and then in the space, here you'll be able to see your account name. Simply tap on the pencil icon at the right side of your account name in order to reach to this page. Now in this page, here you will need to locate default currency option. Once you find it, you will need to simply tap on the option and then a list of available currencies will appear. From here, now you will need to choose the currency you would like to use for that specific expense. Simply tap on the selected currency and after selecting the currency, tap on the Save Changes button right here in order to save the changes. After that, you will see you have successfully changed your currency in Splitwise. So by following these steps, you can easily change the currency in Splitwise to suit your needs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.